As a broker, like typically people aren't really educated on kind of how brokering works and how it works as a mortgage. Can you just explain a bit about your role as a broker, how you help your clients? I know you've touched on it there, but if you could just elaborate on that bit, and why it would be beneficial for someone to use a mortgage broker in any sense, residential, commercial, or residential buy-to-let.
Yeah, it's a really good question, and I think it comes down to, we're professionals in our field, right? Same as you are in yours. You'll help people source property because you know it, you know the areas, you know what's going to give them best yields or whatever the case is. So people are sort of relying on that, that experience to get them where they want to be. I think using a broker is a really powerful asset to have because, like I say, we do have access to whole of market. We will take that holistic view. And if one lender says no for whatever reason, the chances are before we've come back to you, we're actually coming back to you with an alternative solution rather than just saying, oh, we said no, now off you go.
Yeah.
It's unfortunately they said no, but actually we're now going to try this.
So working on behalf of the client.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, and we are here to get people, the best deal for their circumstances. That's quite an important thing as well. And I think some people can get sucked in to just going on Go Compare or whatever the case is. They'll see a headline rate and they'll be like, oh, I want that one. But actually you might not be entitled to that rate.
Yeah.
And that's where sort of we come in to actually explain that process and sort of help people through it. And we don't just help with the mortgages as well. Like we will help with, if you've got questions about a property or if you've got questions about the buying process or if you have, questions about the conveyancing or, what happens next, well, do I buy it in a limited company? Do I buy it in personal names? We can help you with those decisions and help you through that. I've personally helped buyers make offers on properties. I've helped them secure better deals. I've spent hours on the phone chasing solicitors so clients don't have to. And I think so you're also having that extra person that's working for you to, one, get you the best deal, but make sure it goes as smoothly as possible and give you the least amount of headache, going through that process.
Fantastic.